Hello and welcome to I broke my turn signals. Well, specifically the driver one. It will not cancel. So we're gonna fix that once I find where the hell I just put my torque set. Damn. So pretty. Am I missing one? Yeah. Is it the one that I need? Yep. Go ahead and just pop this off first before I take the stupid ass nut off. So there's that. This can come out. Where the horn would normally be. Did I actually break it or did I just... Oh yeah, I did break it. Alright, we will set that in the floorboard. Next is my least favorite thing of all time. Get up in there! There it is. Jesus. You are extraordinarily important, so you get to go in the glasses case. Next up, we'll bust our nut off. Really? You know what? Stay in there. Why not? Are you still loose enough for me to not use the cooler? No, you are not. Put them in a decent amount. They'll go all the way through it, so I don't want to thread it too much. Okay, next we get to figure out what I just did with the 5/8 socket that we had. Come off. Cool, you're still sitting like shit. Gotta make sure I put this on straight so it's not angled like it was before. God, it's big as steering wheel. Next up, we get to pop this stupid fucking thing off. Go down there. Then we take this, put this on here nice and tight. Make sure this is nice and tight. Now for my least favorite part, this stupid snap ring. The extremely big for no reason screwdriver. You get to join the glasses case, and you are now... Oh yeah, your spring fell off. Alright, cool. Which one goes where? So you clearly go there, because you cannot... That even come out? No. What are you doing? Nice and shiny, brand new. I don't know if I'm supposed to take that off. I don't think I am. Alright, you can go back in. Do you have this weirdo thingy bob on you? No, but you're pretty much the same, so we'll send it. Right there. Yeah, and then everything gets smashed back into place. Now for my fancy dancy tool again. First, I need the snap ring. Because I gotta work it on everything. Get FedEx. Back on there. It needs to go in. Yep, to about right there. Then just gotta push our favorite little snap ring back on. And now I can relieve tension. Now we can put this stupid thing back on. If I remember how it goes. Should be a tab there, tab there. Alright, that's back on. So next is the steering wheel. Ooh. For why are you not going back on? Cool. Nope, that's angled too far over. That might be right. Let's see here. Yes! Thank God. Next up is this stupid thing. I've definitely... Oh, I really stretched that out. Yikes. I don't remember which way the slit was. We're gonna guess. Bro forgot something. Bro was throwing something away. Alright. What the fuck was that? That one's stiff. That one's getting stiff. God damn, it should be tighter than that. What the hell? I'm so confused what this male guy's doing. Yeah, what the f? That is not... Something ain't right. Something got... Oh. Yeah, that would do it. Clink. Jesus, I tightened these a lot. Oh, shit. I broke it. Oh, it's just like plastic. Why? Okay, we got 2 out of 3. lot stiffer. Okay. Up here, right there is where it starts to stiffen up. Yeah, that's already way tighter. Just come around. Right there's stiffening. Tighten that a tiny bit. Tighten it a tiny bit. And tighten it a tiny bit. And now it's nice and tight. It's still loose as what the hell, man? Bet you if I had an actual point it would be different, but whatever. We have working turn signals now. Yippee! Okay. Now let's just smash everything again. Alright, that's all for now.